Hi everyone, my name's Neerav and I'm here at the Sydney International EV Auto Show at the EV Trove stand. They sell a lot of accessories for popular electric cars like MG, BYD and others. Let's have a look at what they have at their stand. As you can see, EV Trove has a wide variety of EV accessories such as car seat covers, boot mats, floor mats, wing mirror protectors, door sill covers, and a lot more. While I was having a look at these, the owner, Nishanth Stephen, offered to send me some of these accessories for my MG4 electric car to review. And he gave me an interesting tip. He said a lot of customers come to him after their cars have already been damaged by scratches and scuffs. It's a lot smarter to protect your car when it's new before you and your family start to wear it out and scratch it and scuff it and make it dirty. About 2 weeks later, these accessories for my MG4 arrived from the EV Trove warehouse in China. They protect 6 common areas where new cars get damaged: the front 2 passenger and driver door sills, and the back 2 passenger door sills, the boot edge where large items get dragged in and out of the boot, and where your left elbow sits while you're driving the car. Okay, let's start with the boot edge protector. As you can see, it and all the door sill covers are protected by a nice tape to make sure they don't get damaged during transport. Right, let's take off the tape. And as you can see, the boot edge protector is made from high quality stainless steel, so it should be able to last for a long time and not be damaged at all. As you can see, because it is metal, it has a sharp edge, which you need to make sure is well covered by the rubber from your car boot seal to make sure no one gets cut by it. Once that's done, there's a perfect seal and it's completely safe. Right, let's put the door sills on. Before we do that, we have to make sure that the area is dry and completely dust free, which is easy to do. Then you take off the 3M tape protector and stick it on, and voila, now your car boot sill is safe from shoes or boots that have rocks on them on the bottom, or things that you're carrying inside or out of your car. It won't scratch the actual paint. Nice and sturdy. Follow the same procedure of cleaning, taking off the tape protector and sticking on the rear passenger door sill covers to protect those. And lastly, I'll put on the MG4 armrest box cover by stretching it over the existing one. That protects it from my elbow, which would otherwise wear out a spot on the car fabric as I drive while leaning my elbow on it. It didn't take long to install all of those, and now 6 areas of my car are well protected from damage, scuffs, wear and tear. They all seem good quality and should last a long time. Please like and subscribe so I can make more videos like this for you. Thanks and see you later.